Notice how you just see her shift. Look at this lady right here. She won't put her eyes on the camera. Yeah, man, real life shapeshifting caught on television. Look at, did you see her eyes? They won't show it. They're trying to stay off her eyes. Yeah. Keep filling people's heads with lies. Hmm. Man, they are everywhere, dude. I just want to share some things with you guys. You guys got to keep your eyes peeled, man. I mean, the things that I've been seeing lately is just unexplainably coming true. Like they're exposing themselves, revealing themselves. And I believe that these things that are exposing themselves are doing it on purpose. But not really on purpose, just because they have no choice. The light exposes everything, and only the light will be able to see these things. And it's just nuts, man. I started recording this, and I just noticed how they go to this and just get clean off that lady that I was recording, trying to show you guys her eyes, but hopefully they come back on in time. Just pay attention to the eye movement and any shifting of the facial expressions into something as in rugged or rigid, I can say, that they do shift, but your frequency has to be raised because they cloak themselves with a vibration that sets off a frequency that we can't really break that barrier, that frequency. We've been dumbed down so much that these things are vibrating at such rapid frequencies. It's hard to see, but I'm gonna help you guys see this with my frequency and my vibration. I'm gonna point out some things. They're back. This lady in the white and black, man, with the short hair, she keeps shifting. She will not stare directly in the camera. Watch her eyes. Okay. The camera's all over the place. She's trying to avoid it. Just pay attention to her eyes. Look at that. You see the flicker of her eye? Now watch. I mean, you can tell that she is something.